everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well and so glad to see you again. I know it's been a while since I posted a video, but just bear with me. Today I made a video showing how to make a beret hat. So I used two fabrics to make this hat. One is an Ankara fabric and the other one is a felt fabric it's called, yes. The goal for this was to make a reversible hat so that I can wear, I can change to the fabric that suits my style or my mood for the day. So I used an Ankara fabric, as you can see, and a felt, which you can turn over depending on how you want to wear it. So I will show you in the video coming after this one, show you the items needed to make this hat. It's pretty easy. I had fun when making this hat. It's to be honest, it shouldn't take so long to make if you're an intermediate learner, but as a beginner you may want to research a lot. Take your time to research on the video before on other videos before trying to make yours. So this is how it came out. This is the final product of what I made and I'm loving it. I'm loving the look of it. One advice to you will be, when using a cotton fabric, make sure to give enough room for your head, because if you cut a tiny hole in the middle, you won't have enough space for your head, depending on how big your head is. But in this occasion, I felt like this is more suitable for what I was going for. I didn't want something that would be hanging loosely on my head, and I didn't want something too tight as well. So I will show you the measurements, all the measurements I used and all the items I used in the next video. Bear in mind that everybody's head is sized differently, so even if I have put my own dimensions in this video, that doesn't mean you should use it, because my head is a little bit small than a normal head. So you may want to measure your head and use, adapt measurements to your own sewing. Well, I think that's all for now. I hope you enjoy my videos, and I like to thank all my subscribers, new and old, and keep sharing my videos, and please click the notification bell if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you. Bye bye.
Ninja flavor that